Welcome back to Home Maintenance Mastery Podcast, where we help you become the expert in your own home. I'm your host, and today we're diving deep into something that affects your comfort year-round, your HVAC system. Whether you're a new homeowner or you've been in your place for decades, understanding your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system is absolutely crucial. Most people ignore their HVAC until something goes wrong, and that's when the expensive emergency calls happen. So today, I'm breaking down 5 essential things every homeowner should know about their HVAC system. By the end of this episode, you'll understand how your system works, how to maintain it properly, and when to call a professional. Let's get started. The first thing you need to know is that your HVAC system has multiple components working together, and they all need to communicate properly. You've got your furnace or heat pump, your air conditioning unit, your thermostat, ductwork, and various filters and sensors all operating as one integrated system. Many homeowners think they just have an air conditioner or just a furnace, but the reality is these systems are interconnected. Your thermostat is the brain of the operation. It's constantly monitoring temperature and telling your system when to kick in and when to shut down. When one component fails, it can cascade through the entire system. So understanding this interconnected nature is your first step toward becoming HVAC savvy. This is why a professional tune-up can catch small problems before they become big ones. The second thing you absolutely must know is that your air filter is literally the lungs of your system, and it needs regular replacement. Most filters should be changed every 30 to 90 days, but if you have pets, allergies, or live in a dusty area, you might need to do it monthly. A clogged filter forces your system to work much harder than it needs to, which drives up your energy bills and shortens your equipment's lifespan. I'm talking hundreds of dollars in unnecessary costs every year, not to mention the strain on your equipment. Here's the thing though, replacing your filter is one of the easiest and cheapest maintenance tasks you can do yourself. Spend 5 minutes and $10 a month now, or spend thousands on emergency repairs later. It's really that simple. The third critical thing to understand is seasonal maintenance requirements and why professional tune-ups matter. Your system is working hard, either in winter keeping you warm or in summer keeping you cool, and it deserves some attention twice a year. Before winter, you want a technician to inspect your furnace, check your heat exchanger for cracks, test your system's efficiency, and make sure everything is running safely. Before summer, the same technician should clean your condenser coils, check your refrigerant levels, and ensure your air conditioning unit is ready for peak season. These tune-ups usually run between $100 and $200, and they can prevent breakdowns that cost 10 times that amount. Plus, many HVAC manufacturers actually require professional maintenance to honor their warranty, so you're protecting your investment literally. Now, the fourth thing everyone should know is how thermostat settings affect both your comfort and your wallet. Your thermostat is like the remote control for your entire home's climate, but most people don't use it strategically. Setting your thermostat 7 to 10 degrees lower in winter or higher in summer for just 8 hours a day, say when you're at work or sleeping, can reduce your energy consumption by up to 15%. That might sound small, but over a full year, that's real money saved. Programmable and smart thermostats have made this easier than ever, and they'll pay for themselves in energy savings within a year or two. You're not sacrificing comfort. You're just being smarter about when you need full heating or cooling versus when you don't. The fifth and final thing you need to know is recognizing the warning signs that your HVAC system needs professional attention immediately. Ignoring these signs is how a small problem becomes a catastrophic failure. Listen for unusual noises like grinding, squealing, or banging. These indicate worn parts or loose components that need professional diagnosis. Pay attention to airflow too. If some rooms aren't getting cooled or heated as well as others, you might have ductwork issues or a failing component. If your energy bills are suddenly spiking without any explanation, or if your system is cycling on and off constantly, these are also red flags. Strange smells, especially burning smells, should never be ignored. Turn your system off and call a professional immediately because that could indicate a safety issue. One more sign. If your system is over 15 years old and you're experiencing frequent repairs, it's often more economical to replace it than keep fixing it. Modern systems are also far more energy efficient, so replacement might save you money in the long run. Now that we've covered these 5 essential things, let me give you a quick action plan you can implement today. First, go find your air filter and check when it was last changed. If you can't remember, replace it today. Second, schedule your seasonal tune-up if you haven't already, and make sure your HVAC company gives you a detailed report on your system's health. Third, if you don't have a programmable thermostat, consider upgrading to one. It's one of the easiest efficiency improvements you can make. Fourth, do a walkthrough of your home and note any comfort issues or unusual sounds coming from your system. Fifth, locate your system's manual and ductwork layout so you have this information readily available if you ever need to call a professional. Your HVAC system is one of the most important systems in your entire home, and treating it with regular attention and respect will save you thousands of dollars over time. Remember, prevention and maintenance are always cheaper than emergency repairs. Thank you so much for tuning into Home Maintenance Mastery Podcast today. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe, leave a review, and share this episode with friends and family who are struggling with their HVAC systems. Until next time, stay proactive about your home maintenance, and I'll catch you on the next episode where we'll tackle another essential home system. Take care.